Greetings one and all. Here we are at part 2. We skipped the fire making part because, well, it's just wet and soaked everywhere. We have sort of our little unofficial base camp. So how do we make the fire? We use magnesium and what else?
Magnesium shavings and a match. No,
magnesium shavings and a ferrocerium rod. And all the wood is soaking wet, but as you can see, we have flame. And once we have flame, we'll have noodles. Noodles.
Let's eat carbs.
Right, you eat those carbs. They're good for you. Give you a little look around. Just a lot in the smoke, but Boulder National Forest, that sign said? Nice. I'm loving the fact that the flames are now going above the fuel. That means we'll have coal soon and then food.
And here, folks, is nature's little miracle fire starter. We wouldn't have got anything going without this stuff. Absolutely amazing.
We should walk up and show them the tree.
Yeah, show where we got it from. Here we go. Take a walk up. Oh man, this fire's going so good now.
Oh yeah. Soon we'll have noodles. Well, I'll have noodles. We're actually right off trail, but I spotted this. I think it's a hemlock tree. And I said, well, we could get we could pull off a piece of bark and put it on the ground and all this stuff underneath it. I mean, we helped it along with some magnesium, but oh man, that fire is looking good. Good times. Unfortunately, we're not sleeping out here, but I gotta work tomorrow. But there will be some overnighters for sure. Hopefully on a drier day. Nice.
The fire's going real good.
Yeah, it is really good.
Smoky Joe.
Yep.
Yeah, that's running hot now.
Good.
That's running hot now.
It's probably good for fuel. Because, you know, we're not staying the night, so we gotta pack it out. And we go wait for the fire to burn out before we leave, so.
Oh, this weekend at least we can kind of smother it with the stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
The rain's picking up again, so I guess we'll come back for part 3 with, I think, with noodles. Hey guys, we're doing some
Shit. Hold on.
doing a little bit of rainforest ramen. Oh yeah.
I think I must follow your lead next time off. I got a little cutlery to the 3-in-1 set bucket.
Sorry.
Oh, that's the one. Hot fire, man.
Smoke in the eyes. I had a little bit of sesame oil in this little REI container. And I'm gonna pack out my garbage. Oh, rainforest ramen. I like that. I might title the video that. Rainforest ramen.
Whoa, good.
Perhaps I spoke too soon.
Alright, do you want some more water? Have you got more water?
I got more. I got water in there.
Oh. Damn. No, you pick that around as you need it. Just hit the down in the ground in here.
Oh. Sorry, I think I kicked something in the tea.
This is the one that's kind of messing me around. Little frame of
the Wow, that sucked. Oh, rainfire or a rainforest mishap.
Yeah, good times, huh?
Ah, good times.
Oh, there you go. That shouldn't take long. This is sort of like a kind of 5-minute noodle thing, isn't it? Kind of like a 5-minute noodle.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta boil it a little longer than your top ramen stuff. I think the flavor is just a lot nicer though. Real unnatural if I had some meat to throw in there, but I do have some jerky though. I'm gonna eat it separately.
Yeah, like I say, you usually think of kind of dicing it up, putting it in there.
I'll probably just break it up by hand and throw the pieces in, but I'm going to eat them separately. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Put this on camera for you guys. Nice steaming bowl of noodles. Sweet. I'm calling it done because the camera's getting rained on. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.